Hey all, just in from a quick hike with the family and had a question come in from one of my clients asking what home upgrades will help increase their home's value. So when preparing your house for sale, you may be led to believe the more upgrades you make, the higher the price you can actually list the property at. However, not all home upgrades are created equal. To answer the question, we really have to take into consideration the changes in the market that we've seen over the past few years as homes have went through this massive revaluation. In response to the pandemic, there's now features that are more attractive to buyers than ever before. In particular, there are 3 projects that you'll want to take into consideration. Adding more usable square footage is the first. According to a 2020 survey done by HomeLight, the need for more space was among the top reasons why people are moving. Projects such as, creating a home office, building out an open floor plan, by taking down a wall that can give you an additional space that buyers are looking for. Also, finishing a basement is another big one. The second reason is improving your curb appeal. One of the best ways to improve your home's curb appeal is really focusing on the landscaping, making the home look more enticing from the street, adding those healthy plants, blooming flowers to the yard. Obviously not this time of year, but those types of things can help. To make even more of a statement, you can throw on a fresh coat of paint on the exterior, the front door, etc. Some changes don't have to be all that grand. Some things can be as simple as, updating your mailbox, updating your house numbers even. The last thing is upgrading your outdoor space. Functional outdoor spaces such as decks, fireplaces, outdoor kitchens are now more valued due to the pandemic than ever before. If your home has a nice exterior living area, buyers can really envision themselves, enjoying the fresh air as they indulge in the outdoor activities, hosting family, etc. If you've already got that outdoor oasis, frankly, even simple things like pressure washing, making those minor repairs and upgrades to the deck can be helpful. And those can be very low-cost ways to improve the home's value. Hope that helps answer the question. Thanks.